Almighty, it's the Navy Grog. Okay, this is a real cool, interesting drink. Watch this. So we're blending up some ice, okay? But the ice isn't for us to, well, the ice goes in the drink, but in a weird way. You need this little tool right here. And watch what we do. What this creates is like an ice cube with a, you poke a hole in the center for the straw to go through. You see that? And that's gonna go in our drink at the end. So let's start off with some gold rum, all right? Come behind it with some white rum. Come behind it with some dark rum. It's a potent drink. A little bit of honey water, okay? Some white grapefruit juice. Beautiful. Fresh squeezed lime. Nice. A little bit of soda water, all right? And we shake. It's gotta be a little bit of soda water because you put a ton of that in there, that will explode. Now see the ice cube go in there and then you pour it around the sides, okay? It's a crazy ice cube. Some of you probably haven't seen it because it's not popular, because who the hell got time to try to pack that in there like that, okay? But we actually have the tool in our store. If you're curious about this drink, you could go in there, check it out and get one, okay? Because it is kind of fun to play with. It's a real old school drink and this is the way they used to do it.